get some XOXO to some ice before we have it. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday and welcome to a vlog. I got some errands to run today, so I figured why not pull my camera out and take y'all on the errands with me. So if you're new here, I'm NeesyRaychelle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and like this video and comment on this video and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to come and say good morning, and we out. All right, guys, we done picked up our package. Say hey, Stinkawink. Say hey to the camera. Don't be acting like you nervous with me driving. Yeah, so we are on our way to the vet. He has a little irritation in his eye, and we're not. Why must you get out the window like that? You're making me nervous. But yeah, so we're on our way to the vet now. It was like a grayish color at first. Like it looked like it had grayed over. It looked like it was gray at first, and I got a picture of it I'll insert in here. But now it's just crusted over. Well, not crusted over, like it's like John, what you looking for? I don't got no food in here. Now it's like it almost looks like he has pink eye. So yeah, we're going to the vet to get that figured out, because I ain't like how his eye looked. My mama sent me a picture on Tuesday and was like, what's wrong with his eye? And I'm like, girl, I don't know, what is that? So yeah, I called the vet yesterday, and we are on our way in today. Let me. Alright, guys, so I am home. I went to the grocery store. I didn't take y'all in there, but I'm gonna show you what I got. So this heavy behind bag, y'all. The best time to go in Walmart is before everybody off work and stuff, early morning. So first in my bag, I have sour cream. I am making mashed potatoes today, so need my sour cream. I got my stoked cold brew coffee. Let me move out of the light. Let me see. Let me turn, y'all. Okay, yeah, I got my stoked cold brew coffee. I got 4 of these because I drink this every day. And then I got the caramel brulee silk almond milk creamer. I got the Vintner's Red by San Sebastian. This is one of my favorite wines. San Sebastian Winery is in St. Augustine, which is up the street from me. So I got that. Then, because it has been cooler here in Florida, I got some hot coffee. This is the Great Value Colombian ground coffee. It's a medium dark roast. I tend to like medium dark to dark coffee because in my opinion it tastes better. So that's just me. And I believe this is the last of our kitchen stuff. I got some breadcrumbs for my meatloaf, bell pepper, small onion. And y'all, if you don't have this in your cabinet, you would sleep. This complete seasoning right here, this right here, baby, this, it go good on everything. But I put it on my chicken when I put it in the air fryer, and baby, I'm gonna have to show y'all one day. I got honey pot. These are the travel travel wipes. I got a transparent tape for a project that I'm doing that I will most likely show y'all. Glue for that same project. This is just a crafting glue. I got the at-home honey pot sensitive wipes. So if y'all notice that I got these and I keep talking about these, that mean they good, y'all. More deodorant because I like to have extra. And I got some makeup wipes because yeah, I'm about to do stuff that requires me to use these. Like, I need these. Trying to use the micellar water to get off what I'm about to do is gonna be a problem. Just saying. And lastly, I got more dishwasher pods because baby, we're not gonna be washing dishes every day. Just not going to. I'm just not going to. I like to hand wash my dishes, but baby, when my boyfriend be here, I be having way too many dishes to wash. Lastly, I got some stencils because, okay, so here's the thing. The project that I'm going to be working on that, like I said, I'll most likely show y'all. I was going to write this out. And I hope these letters not too big for the board I got. But I was going to write them out, but it's Thursday and the project is, I need it for Monday. So I ain't got time to be sitting down trying to draw this out. So I got my stencils. I'm laying me a sheet down somewhere in here. Might be in the kitchen, so I don't make a mess. And yeah, I'll show y'all that. But that's my little short grocery haul. And yeah, I'll come back when we do something else. Okay guys, I'm at the eye doctor and we finna get these eyes checked out because your girl can't see. But alright guys, so as y'all saw, I was at the eye doctor, right? My vision hasn't changed. Now remember I told y'all I feel like my vision is worse, but like he looked at my eyes and was like, so he made it stronger, he made it weaker, and neither one helped me. So apparently my vision is still the same, so we're not gonna, you know, be too concerned about that. I did order me some new contacts because y'all know I don't like wearing my real eyes. Like, my eyes are pretty now, don't get me wrong, but and they've gotten lighter as I've gotten older, because the lady still thought, she thought I still had the contact in my eye, but I didn't. That's just how my eyes look. So yeah, I did order some and I'll show y'all that when they get here. And so the vet called me earlier. Baby, she called me, I was in tears. Because like it seemed like she didn't have no type of good news for me about my baby. Talking about he may have glaucoma, which it sounds like now they are confirming that it is glaucoma in his left eye. So they gonna have to put him on some drops or something for that. And then she was like, he has a heart murmur. And I'm like, a heart murmur? Like, wait a minute. Like, how did this go from y'all checking this baby eye to now he got all this stuff going on with him? And see, this is why I don't have a pet, like, in my household. Because this too much. Like, I'm sad.
tempted to take a step out. Get some NO, XOXO, to some ice, but we have it.